Welcome to Module 2, Data Visualization with Tableau. For this module, we're going to see what kind of data visualization tools are popular in the market right now. And then we will have an introduction to Tableau, covering why we should learn Tableau, what we can make with Tableau, and what kind of Tableau products there are. So let's see what the popular data viz tools are in the market right now. Some examples are Tableau, of course, and there is Google Data Studio, IBM Cognos, Power BI by Microsoft, and we can also use some programming such as Python to make data viz. Okay, so what is Tableau? So Tableau is a really popular data visualization software that is widely used by many companies. If we type Tableau as a keyword in jobsdb.com, we can find more than 800 jobs. And if we type it in Indeed, we can find more than 300 jobs that are looking for candidates who know how to use Tableau. Now, these firms want you if you know how to use Tableau. For example, Bloomberg wants you, Hong Kong Jockey Club, JP Morgan, Sasa, AS Watson Groups, even Ocean Park. Now, let's see what kind of data viz we can create with Tableau. Now, this is one of the infographics that I have found in Tableau Public called Rideshare Travel in NYC. Let's see what kind of message David wants us to know. First, Uber and Lyft have dominated the rideshare market in the US. Compared to yellow and green taxis, they have an increasing trend as we can see in the graph. This means that more and more people are using Uber and Lyft as transportation means. However, COVID-19 has disrupted the rideshare industry in the US. We can see in the graph that ever since the COVID-19 lockdown, the total dispatch trips have sharply declined. Another example is this one, talking about how the pandemic have affected the box office numbers and box office profits of movie theaters in the US. After seeing what we can make with Tableau, let's see what products there are. The first one is Tableau Prep, which is basically a self-service data preparation software. We can combine, shape, and clean data there. The second one is Tableau Desktop, which is a visual analytics software with an intuitive interface, and we will learn this in the upcoming modules. Next up is Tableau Server, an on-premise public cloud, and Tableau Online, a hosted self-service cloud. You can extend the value of your data across your entire organization with these two. Apart from online clouds, there is also Tableau Mobile. We can access Tableau on both iOS and Android devices so that we can access our data visualization anywhere and anytime we want. Great, this is the end of the module. You can move on to the next module, the beginner hands-on exercise from Excel to Tableau.